Welcome back, children. Let us continue with the line wise paraphrasing of Act 5, Scene 1, line number 206. We begin with Bassanio's speech. Sweet Portia. He addresses Portia and says, Sweet Portia, if you did know to whom I gave the ring. So he says that, Portia, if you knew that to which person I have given the ring, if you did know for whom I gave the ring, that is, if you know the person for whose sake I gave away that ring, and would conceive for what I gave the ring, and if you understood, conceive means if you understood the reason for which I gave away the ring, and how unwillingly I left the ring, and how unwantingly I gave away the ring, when not means nothing, would be accepted but the ring, when nothing else would be accepted except the ring, you would abate the strength of your displeasure. Abate means reduce. Displeasure means anger. Then definitely your anger would be reduced. Portia, she gives the answer. If you had known the virtue of the ring, she says that if you knew the emotions and the sentiments which were attached to the ring, or half a worthiness that gave the ring, or if you knew half the worthiness means half the value of the woman, that means the person who gave the ring to you, or your own honor to contain the ring, or if you understood your own honor, that it is your duty as an honorable man to contain the ring, means to take care of the ring. If you understood your own duty as a respectable man to protect the ring, you would not then have parted with the ring. Then definitely you would not have separated with the ring. What man is there so much unreasonable? She says that I do not think so. There can be any man who can be so unreasonable. Now this is connected to line number 22. No man I know it can be so unreasonable to urge the thing held as a ceremony. To urge means to ask for, to force, to give away a thing, something which is held as a ceremony means which is held as something very holy and something very sacred. So I don't think so there's any man so unreasonable who will force you to give away a thing which is so close to your heart, which is so holy and sacred to you. Now go back to this. If you had pleased to have defended it, that is, if you had tried to protect it with any terms of zeal. With any terms of zeal means full of determination. If you had tried to protect the ring fully determined and with zest and zeal, you would have tried to protect it. I do not think so there is any man wanted in modesty. Wanted means lacking in good manners. Modesty, good manners. Lacking in good manners to urge the thing held as ceremony, to force you to give away a thing which was held so close to your heart. Nerissa teaches me what to believe. She says, I think Nerissa has told me what I should believe, and I think the same. I'll die for it. She says, I will die for it, but some woman had a ring. She says, I can lay a bet that a woman has the ring. I may die if I'm telling a lie, but I'm sure that you have given the ring to a woman. Bassanio, no, by mine honor, madam, by my soul, no woman had it. So Bassanio says, no, I swear, madam, I swear by my honor. By means swearing. I swear by my honor. Madam, I swear by my spirit. I swear by my soul. No woman has the ring but a civil doctor. But I have given the ring to a doctor of civil law. That is, I have given the ring to a lawyer, which did refuse 3,000 ducats of me, which means who refused to take 3,000 ducats from me and begged the ring. He begged me to give the ring to him, the which I did deny him. At first I did refuse to give him the ring, and suffered him to go displeased away. Suffered means allowed, and I allowed him to go away from there very displeased with me, very unhappy with me. even he that had helped up the very life of my dear friend. Even he means I let that man go away unhappy with me. That very man who held up means who saved the very life of my dearest friend Antonio. I made him unhappy. I let him go away. What should I say, sweet lady? I was enforced to send it after him. He says, now, sweet lady, what should I say more? I was enforced means I was compelled, I was forced to send the ring after him, that is, to send the ring behind him. I was beset with shame and courtesy. Because beset means overcome, because I was overcome with embarrassment, and out of courtesy I sent it after him. My honor would not let ingratitude so much besmear it. Besmear means stain it. My honor, my respect would not let thanklessness, ingratitude is thanklessness, so much besmear it. It would not let ingratitude stain it. Pardon me, good lady. Please forgive me, good lady, for by these blessed candles of the night. Now, blessed candles are the stars in the night, in the heavens above. So he says, I swear by the stars in the heavens above. Had you been there, I think you would have begged the ring to give the worthy doctor. He says that I'm sure that if you had been there, I think you would have asked me to give the ring to the worthy doctor. You yourself would have asked me to give away the ring. Portia, let not the doctor ever come near my house. Apostrophe is for the missing we. So this is ever. She says, be careful. Don't let that doctor of law, that lawyer, ever come anywhere near my house. Since he hath got the jewel that I loved. Hath means has. Since he has got the jewel. Which jewel is it being referred to? The ring. Since he has got the ring that I loved so much, and that which you did swear to keep for me, and that means, and the same ring which you swore to me that you will keep it for my sake, you will never give it away. I will become as liberal as you. Liberal means generous. So I will become as generous as you, and I will not deny him anything I have, and I will not deny to give him anything that I have and anything that he asks of me. Nerissa to Graciano, no, I his clerk. So she repeats the same lines to Graciano, that I will also not refuse anything that his clerk asks for of me. Therefore be well advised. Therefore be very, very careful. Take good care how you do leave me to mine own protection. So you do take care how you don't leave me unguarded or unprotected, because whatever his clerk asks of me, I will give it to him. Antonio, I am the unhappy subject of these quarrels. Now Antonio is feeling he's feeling responsible for these quarrels and arguments. He's feeling guilty. So he says, I am the unhappy subject means reason. I am the unhappy reason of all these quarrels and misunderstandings that are taking place between you all. Portia, sir, grieve not you. She says, Portia says, sir, don't feel bad. Don't be sad. You are welcome notwithstanding. You are welcome in spite of all that is happening now. Bassanio, Portia, forgive me this enforced wrong. So Bassanio says to Portia that, Portia, please forgive me for this enforced means for this wrong that I was forced to inflict on you. And in the hearing of these many friends, and in the presence of all these friends right now, I swear to thee, I swear to you, even by thine own fair eyes. Thine means your, fair means beautiful. So I swear to you by your own beautiful eyes, wherein I see myself. Wherein means in which I see myself. Portia, mark you but that. So she tells everybody standing around, mark. Mark means listen. All of you listen to what he's saying. In both my eyes, he doubly sees himself. In both my eyes, he sees a double reflection of himself. In each eye, one means in one eye, he sees one reflection of himself, and in my other eye, he sees the second reflection of himself. Swear by your double self. So she says he is swearing by his false nature. Why false nature? Because he is talking about his double image that he sees in my eyes. And there's an oath of credit. She says, do you think this is a pledge? This is a promise worthy to be believed, which he is swearing by his double self, which he is swearing by his double self means by his false nature. Bassanio, nay, he says, no, but hear me. But please listen to me. Pardon this fault. Please forgive this fault of mine. And by my soul I swear, and I swear by my soul, I never more will break an oath with thee. I will never ever break an oath means and promise. With thee means you. In future, I will never ever break a promise that I make with you. Antonio, I once did lend my body for his wealth. So Antonio says, I once did bind myself. I pledged my body for his well-being. Means he's talking about the bond that I signed, that dangerous bond with Shylock, in which I pledged my body that if I'm not able to pay back 3,000 ducats within 3 months, then Shylock can cut 1 pound of flesh from any part of my body. Which but for him that had your husband's ring had quite miscarried, which means that my body, that means I myself, would have been dead if it had not been for him. But for him means if it had not been for the lawyer who at this present moment has your husband's ring. If it had not been for that lawyer, I would have been miscarried, means I would have been dead. My body would have been completely destroyed. I dare to bound again. He says, I dare to pledge myself once again. I am ready to bind myself in another bond. And this time, my soul upon the forefeet, and this time I will bound myself at the risk of the forfeiture of my soul. And what is it? That your Lord, that your husband, your Lord, will never more break. He will never ever break faith advisedly. Faith means any pledge that he makes. Advisedly means deliberately. So he will never ever break a promise he makes to you deliberately. Portia, then you shall be his surety. She says, okay, fine. Then you will be his security. You will be his guarantee. Give him this. She hands over the ring to Antonio and bid him keep it better than the other, and ask him. Bid means ask. And ask Bassanio to keep it better means to keep it more securely than the other ring. Antonio, here Lord Bassanio, swear to keep this ring. So it is the same ring that Portia had given Bassanio. So Antonio gives it to Bassanio and says that here Lord Bassanio, please swear to keep this ring. Please swear that you will never ever separate from this ring. Bassanio, by heaven, it is the same ring I gave the doctor. So Bassanio recognizes that ring. So he says, I swear by the heavens above, it is the same ring that I gave to the doctor of law. That is, I gave to the lawyer. Portia, I had it of him. Pardon me, Bassanio. So Portia says, well, I took this ring from the lawyer. Pardon me means, please forgive me, Bassanio. Nerissa, and pardon me, my gentle Gratiano. So Nerissa asks gentle Gratiano that please forgive me for that same scrubbed boy. That is the same scrubbed means that short little boy. The doctor's clerk, that is the lawyer's clerk, did give me this. So he has given me this ring. Portia, you are all amazed. He says, all of you are really surprised. Here is a letter, read it at your leisure. So she says, please take this letter, read it when you are free. Leisure means when you are free. It comes from Padua, from Valerio. This letter is from Padua and it is written by Dr. Valerio, that is the lawyer. There you shall find that Portia was the doctor. And when you read this letter, you will find that Portia was disguised as the doctor of law, as the lawyer, Nerissa there her clerk. And Nerissa was disguised as the clerk of Portia. Lorenzo here shall witness I set forth as soon as you. She says, now Lorenzo, who's standing over here, he shall witness, that is, he shall be the surety, he shall give you the evidence that I set forth means I went away from here as soon as you. And even but now returned. Even but now means and just now I have returned. I have not yet entered my house. She says, I have not even entered my house till now. Antonio, you are welcome. She says, Antonio, you are most welcome. And I have better news in store for you. And I have really great news in store for you than you expect. I have better news for you than you will ever expect to hear. Unseal this letter. Unseal means open this letter soon, that is at once. There you shall see 3 of your argosies, and in the letter you will find that 3 of your argosies means the big merchant ships. 3 of your big merchant ships are richly come to harbor suddenly. They have reached the harbor safely and they are richly laden means they are carrying valuable cargo on them, and they have reached the harbor quite unexpectedly. You shall not know by what strange accident I chanced on this letter. She says, I don't know, I cannot tell you that by what coincidence. Strange accident means by what coincidence I happened to get this letter. Antonio is dumbstruck. So he says, I am dumb. He says, really, I am speechless. Bassanio, were you the doctor and I knew you not? So Bassanio is amazed. He says to Portia, you were the doctor of law, you were the lawyer and I didn't even recognize you. Graciano talks to his wife Nerissa, were you the clerk? Were you the clerk of the lawyer? Antonio, sweet lady, you have given me life and living. So Antonio addresses Portia and says, my dear sweet lady, you have given me a new life. And a living means a means of livelihood. For here I read for certain that my ships are safely come to road. That here I read in this letter for sure, for certain means for sure, that my ships have safely returned to the harbor. Road means harbor. How now, Lorenzo? So Portia says, well, Lorenzo, my clerk had some good comforts too for you. My clerk, that is Nerissa, has some good news. Comforts means news. Had some good news for you also. Nerissa. And I'll give them without a fee. So Nerissa says, yes, and I will give him the good news without charging a fees. There do I give to you and Jessica from the rich Jew a special deed of gift. So she says, here I am handing over to you and your wife Jessica a gift from the rich Jew Shylock, and this gift is a special deed of gift, which is a legal document according to which after his death of all he dies possessed of, that after his death all his property which he possesses will be yours. Lorenzo, fair ladies, beautiful ladies, you drop manna in the way of the starved people. Beautiful ladies, you are dropping the heavenly food, that is manna, in the way of the starving, hungry people. Now this manna is the reference to the Old Testament of the Bible, in which the Jews, they were wandering in the desert, they were very hungry, they were starving. So Moses, he prayed to God Almighty, and in reply to Moses' prayer, God sent them heavenly food, and this heavenly food is called manna, which the Jews found lying on the ground. So reference is made to the manna of the Old Testament of the Bible. Portia, it is almost morning. She says that it's nearly morning, and yet I am sure you are not satisfied of these events at full. And she says, I'm sure that you are still not satisfied with all the events in at full means with all the events I have just told you about in detail. Let us go in. She says, let us go inside the house and charge us there upon interrogatories. That is, charge us there means you can put all your questions upon oath. We will answer them truly. We will take an oath that we will answer to all your questions honestly and truthfully. And we will answer all these things faithfully. You can put all your questions to us, all your doubts that you have to us, and we promise we will answer them very honestly. Graciano, let it be so. He says, okay, let us do like this. Well, while I live, he says, well, as long as I am alive, I will fear no other thing. I will not be scared of any other thing. So sore means as painful as keeping safe Nerissa's ring, as painful as keeping Nerissa's ring safe. So with this we end The Merchant of Venice, Act 5. This is the end of the play. I hope you've understood it. Thank you.